Office Furniture Specialist. Today we are going to show you an installation for our DIY home work from home table called XL50. Now this table will be received in a pack like this. So this pack is roughly about 13 kgs. Now the pack that you receive will have a sticker like this, where when your order number and the other details will be filled. Now the installation of this table is going to take between 10 to 15 minutes. You are requested to watch this video till the end and strictly follow the steps which are outlined in this video. So we'll start the installation process. So the tools that you require for this installation would be a screwdriver. So screwdriver is normally, which is something which is available in every home. Now the screwdriver normally comes in as a universal driver, wherein you have a minus side and a plus side. So we would prefer to have a plus side screwdriver for ease of installation. The first step is we open the cutter. So as we open this carton, we'll see, if you see, this is how you're going to receive the table. So you're going to receive a leg, small leg, leg number 2, leg number 3, hardware and some brackets, and a cable top. Is there something else that you have inside? So the installation of the table should preferably be done either on a carpeted floor, or you can use the same cardboard to do the installation. Now if you see, this is the right side of the table, the usable side of the table. The non-usable side will have these hole marks. So if you see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hole marks. So we will tell you later in the video how to use these hole marks and when to use these hole marks. So before that, we will start with the step 2 of the installation. Step 1 was to see the table. Now if you see, the table is very nicely done. All the edges of the table are finished. They are round to prevent any damages to the hand, and very nicely done. So we'll start with the installation of the legs. So if you see, this is how you have received the legs. So this is how you receive the legs. So the legs, they come with caps on the top. In case the cap is missing, still the cap will be found. We will find the cap there. Now we'll start with the installation of the leg. If you open the hardware carton has four of these brackets, 6 of these screws with nuts, and small screws, and an Allen key. So we will quickly show you how we are going to do the installation. So these brackets, they come in pairs. So both are identical. There is no top or bottom. The step number 2 is to install these brackets onto these legs. Now if you see, make sure while you're doing the installation, please remove the wrap, the packing material which is provided on the leg from these holes. So now I put I need 2 brackets. Now these 2 brackets are same. It doesn't make any difference whether the bracket are this bracket is up or this bracket is down. They are both the same sections. So you can place any bracket upside down. Now the bracket position has to face you. It has to face these brackets. So if you see these 2 brackets, this bracket also has to face this towards your side. So now place 2 brackets here, and then just insert the So if you see now, let me show you from the bottom. So now the screws that you have inserted, they have come down. So you place the other bracket. Yeah, this way. Now this is how it works. So you have to place a bolt which is provided with the bracket, turn it upside down, and just use the Allen key to tighten it. You just have to place your finger and just don't tighten it completely. Just keep it loose. Similarly, the other screw, just keep it loose. Similarly, the same exercises have to be done for the leg number 2. Now you have the connecting member. So connecting member, the position has to be, this bracket has to be up. See, this is the wrong way to do it. This is the right way to do it. So this bracket has to be on the top side. So you insert this into this flange on both the sides. So if it is not going, you have to loosen it a little bit. Yeah, so I think this is okay. Yeah, so the frame is ready. So here also you have to use the same hardware, the bolt, the long bolt, with the nut at the bottom. So I have to use the Allen key. So use the Allen key to tighten this. Similarly, bolt number 2, use the Allen key for this too. Same process. So tighten it completely, because this will ensure that the table is stable. Because if these are loose, the table will shake. If these are tight, the table will not shake. Okay, so now step number 3 is, these brackets, if you see they are loose, all you have to do is put them straight facing the, so this should be preferably at a 90 degrees, and then just tighten this. Similarly, just tighten this. And same with the center bracket, this has to again be placed like, so this center bracket has to be this way, and these 4 brackets have to be perpendicular. So now we have the structure of the table ready. We just cross check whether all the bolts are tight or not. There are holes given, so when we place this upside down, there are holes given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to match, you have to place the table close to the holes. See, this table is close to the holes. Similarly, these holes are there. So now we will take this hardware packet that was sent along with this. Now these has got screws. So this is how we would do the installation of the screw. Again, use a plus. Kindly, the kids are advised not to do this installation. This installation should be done under parental guidance, because any swiftness in doing this, any carelessness in doing this can result in injury. So we have to, we just place the screw, we not tighten it yet. So we have to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws this way on the markings that are given on the tabletop. So make sure you run through the installation as explained in the video. Don't take any shortcuts. And the last screw. So now, since all these screws have been tightened, are in place, so now we can one by one tighten all these screws. So the way to do is, as we are demonstrating, put one hand on the top of the screwdriver and just rotate it. So this is just a one-time exercise. Now these are self-taping screws, which means the screws take their own space inside the table and they don't come out. So the installation of the table is complete. Now just tape the table upside down and the table is good to go. Now if you see in this table again, there were heavy duty levers provided. Now we see now the table is shaking. So all you have to do is just open the leveler to match the undulation of the floor. So the levelers can either be taken positive or negative. They can be either opened or closed. Yeah. So let me show you. So this table is now ready for use. So if you the characteristic of this table are that the top is very nicely finished with curved edges. The legs are all powder coated with aluminum die cast sheet fittings to ensure precise installation and precise alignment. And so thank you very much and wish you happy work from home.